What's going on, guys? How we doing? Wednesday, FOMC day. Big day today. I keep getting tapped today, mate. Go on, sick tunes. Cheers, mate. I like myself a bit of drum and bass. I feel like it gets me pumped for trading. The trouble is, I've got to try and remember not to bang my head too much when I'm trading. I look like a bit of a knob. How we doing, Chaos? Happy FOMC day. You alright, Lewis, mate? How you doing? What do we think today then, guys? Afternoon, Carl. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I've got a feeling we're going to have a fairly decent session. I was sort of umming and ahhing if it might be choppy because it's FOMC later on, but I feel like it's going to be right. Good vibes, positive vibes. Lewis has already made his money today. I wanted to come check out some new streamers. Oh, happy days, mate. Cheers, Lewis, for stopping by. And congrats on making your money nice and early. That's what you like, isn't it? I'm hoping to have a good day today. Today is a day I'm going to get my last $200 plus day. $200 plus day for my payout. I want to get a payout for this year. In and locked in and done and dusted. Morning, Ross. How you doing, mate? Fair play, Lewis, mate. For some reason, I thought FOMC was an hour ago on the 8:30. I sort of got on my phone to check it and realised it wasn't until later. Cheers, Lewis. Yeah, I hope to. Wednesdays tend to be my best day. Thursdays and Fridays not so much, so today is really the day I need to get it. Yeah, I just want one more payout for this year. How you doing, Candy? 2 PM FOMC, yeah. Depends where you are though. It's 2:30 for me here in the UK, so I think it's 7 p.m. for me. But I'll be staying away for the actual drop. I'll be checking on my phone. I'm not crazy enough to be trading it. Let's dish out a poll then, shall we? What do we reckon? I'm bearish today. So if you're smart, you'll go the opposite to me. Let's get this poll sorted out. There you go, the poll's up. I think if we're not bearish, we'll probably be choppy, but as it's FOMC, there's a good chance that might happen. Props and futures still new to me. Spent the last 11 months trading penny stock. Okay, fair enough. Hit my yearly targets. It's taken the last 3 weeks to learn this world. But yeah, welcome, mate. It's good fun. No idea what penny stocks are like. I bet that's got its own ups and downs. But yeah, fair play for hitting your target this year. And yeah, over the Christmas holidays is a good time to learn it if it's something you want to learn. Good, Ross. Hope you're doing good, mate. Yeah, I'm doing well. Excited. It's Wednesday. Thank you, Heath. Welcome, mate. Nice to have you here. I think they're going alright. I think my live streams. I was a bit nervous, my sort of first couple, but I feel alright now. Stage fright's sort of going, so. Oh, 7 seconds till market open. Yeah, definitely less stressful trading prop accounts, isn't it, Lewis? You haven't got to worry about your own capital then. When I first started in this, I was trading, I think, the CFDs, and I put about 500 quid in. I lost it all straight away, pretty much. All right, market's open. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bit of a early pullback, and then I would like to see a continuation downwards. Bottom of the Asia range is sort of my first target, and then I'd be looking to take the 137 mark possibly. That sort of takes us back over here, these sort of levels. Morning, Sergio. How you doing, mate? Hope you're well. %58 bearish so far. 0% chop. Ah, I thought there'd be more people going for chop on FOMC day. My first 2 months, I was 8k down in personal. Great thing is, a small cap, you can make it back in 3 days. Wow, yeah, that sounds a bit too mental for me. I like it nice and steady. Nice push down. I'm hoping we don't take my my targets too early before I can get in. I don't love getting in after my price targets have already been hit. But I think we're definitely going to see the Asia low be taken. Don't blame you, however, it's the kind of place where you can adapt. Learn on the job, time on the charts is key. Yeah, I think it's the same with this, mate. With any market, really, innit? It's time on the charts and just get used to how it moves. That's why I prefer just trading like one product. trade the Nasdaq because you sort of get used to how it moves. If I was to now jump on the Russell or ES or something, I'd be wouldn't be in sync with it. Do you know what I mean? James, what's your strategy? My strategy, mate, is so the 15-minute candles are below the 21 EMA, so I'm looking for shorts. I like to see the 1-minute candles come back and wick through the 21 EMA, a bit like this candle here, to be honest. But the only reason I didn't enter here was because it was the opening candle. So I like to see a wick through, and then I enter on a stop order at the breakdown of that candle that wicked through, basically. Hopefully I'll get into a trade today and you can see. How you doing, Jesse? Jesse James, how you doing, mate? Nice to have you here. Thought we must have quite a few new people today. A few more than normal. 27585 is a key level for me. Where's that then? Around here, yeah. Roughly where the EMA is sitting at the minute, so that'll be a key area for me as well. I'm from the UK, mate, down south. What about you? You UK or you US? Or somewhere else? How do you mark out the Asian market before trading? Yeah, just a fib retracement, to be honest, mate. So this is just the Asia range here from 6 PM to midnight. And then I just have a 50% and 100% either side basically set up because I find they're quite good price targets normally. Sort of nice targets to take your runners off. Yeah, Lewis, I was expecting a bit more of a pullback, to be honest. But we're just going straight down by the looks of it. That's great. I'm currently in Spain, but I'm a Canadian here on visa. Oh, happy days. Loving the Euro vibe for sure. Might head up your way. I wouldn't bother, mate. Spain's nicer. My mum actually lived in Spain. Wow, the Canary Islands. That's nice. Bit desert-like, but still nice. Hot all year round. I went to did a few months in mainland Spain, sort of a year or two ago. More sort of north of the country. It's bloody nice there. Canada's the best place in the world. Why? Yeah, I've been contemplating wanting to move to Canada for years. Every time I sort of say that, people sort of say, oh, Canada's just as bad as the UK. And it might be like economically and all that, politics will have its own, every country has its own issues going on, but at least you get to live somewhere that looks fucking beautiful. The UK is just, there's hardly anywhere nice. And if there is anywhere nice, it's absolutely jam-packed full of just people, because it's the only nice place around, do you know what I mean? And I don't like to be around people too much. I like places to be quiet. And I think Canada's got a similar population to the UK, but it's like what, the second largest country in the world? The UK is a tiny little island. Oh, well done, PB. Go from 1 to 2. Happy days, mate. What time is it there for in the UK? Night time? No, it is 20 to 3 in the afternoon. You can sit the UK and Canada 38 times. Bloody hell. Yeah, it doesn't surprise me. I think it would just be nice to sort of go for like a nice hike or just go out somewhere and you not be just absolutely surrounded by people. I always thought healthcare in Canada was alright. Wow, as good as it is here anyway. That's what I mean. I think everywhere has its own issues going on, especially at the minute. Sergio, it's at 8 PM. Nah, at the minute it's about 3:15, 20 to 3. In the UK, you have gangs who have no respect for anything or anyone yet. Sounds about right. Oh, we're getting a bit of a pullback. We're going to hit that EMA. Do us a favour, chat, and hit that like button. I think it definitely helps me secure a win for the day. Right, I've had that stab through. Let's see if we respect it. I want to see it respect the EMA if I can. Looking at a 15-point stop loss at the minute. That'll put me at 4 contracts. Looking good so far. Just want to wait for this candle to close. Right, my order's in. Alright. Right, I've got my limit order to take off half at 1R. Actually a bit more than 1R at the minute. See you later, Jesse, mate. Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm a bit of a degenerate. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. What was that risk chart you just used? It's just a chart that I set up just to help me get into trades a bit easier, a bit quicker. So I can just quickly pull up, right, my stop loss is 15 points. So I want 4 contracts. That'll put me at $120 risk. Oh no, here we go. Try to end this poll now. Yeah, I'm gonna be stopped out. I lost today. It's because I'm a degenerate and trading FOMC days. Oh, shame. Come close to my take profit, but not quite. Payout this year is not looking good, is it? Or payout this month, should I say? Yeah, you're right, Lewis. Oh, well. Expect it'll continue down now, won't it? What's 4 hour, but maybe a squeaky hold, yeah. So was that 122 on each account, so I'm copy trade on 3 accounts. Get my calculator up. Yeah, 366 down for the day. Yeah, I don't blame you, Lewis. It's going to be possibly choppy, isn't it? What do you reckon about the rate cut then? Is it as guaranteed as everyone thinks it is? I'll be on my phone tonight watching the charts as it drops. It's fun to watch, isn't it? Definitely won't be trading it though. Did I, Jesse? Yeah, cheers, mate. Oh, that loss annoyed me a bit. I don't know why. Touch a nerve. I think it's because it's probably my only day that I was going to get the 200 plus. I think it's just a bit gutting. Wanted to get one more payout for the year. Yeah, the only thing I sort of look at the news for, Lewis, is just to sort of know when to avoid trading, really. I don't want to be in a trade with a sort of quite a tight stop if the news is just about to drop. Yeah, so Lewis, my head will be up. I'll be alright. Sometimes I'm fine after losses, but then other times I just get a bit unhappy. Yeah, can't complain. Yeah, 2,700 up. And yeah, it's cross 3 accounts, so getting on to sort of 9 grand in profit. There's still 2 days left as well. We might get some quite big moves tomorrow. So hopefully we can get in a decent trade tomorrow. How long you had the express funded accounts for? Since 22nd of April. But for about 3 or 4 months, I was just trading sideways. The strategy I was doing, as soon as I passed my combines, just I couldn't make it work anymore. I don't know if it was a psychological thing or what. But yeah, I basically traded sideways. Let me get my So yeah, this is my P&L chart over the year. So this is my combines. As soon as I passed my combines, got my express funded accounts, literally just traded sideways. But the lowest I think I went was negative 600 on each one. And then managed to sort my shit out. And then this was from end of August. So yeah, I'm happy that I didn't go on tilt and lose it all, because that would have been sort of me a year ago. And yeah, my sort of risk management and stuff sort of helped me keep it contained. Do you know what I mean? You're only trading once per day. Yeah, once per day, mate. It helps me not going on tilt and contain the losses. And I tend to find from my data anyway, after the first trade, the first entry, any others after that just is more than likely going to be a loss. For whatever reason, my strategy, my entry strategy, only the strongest the first entry. So yeah, I don't try and chase the winners. Try and get myself out of the red, because it just makes it worse. So can be a bit frustrating. I can just sit there and watch it. But it's helped me get where I am now, so I think it's very easy to get sucked into just overtrade them and just keep going, and you just lose on everything to fees, and yeah, it's not worth it. If you're not in the right headspace, it's not worth it. But yeah, I wish I had a strategy where I could take maybe 3-4 trades a day. But I don't, so. Yeah, if you've got rules, you've got to stick to it. How many payouts you had? Just one payout. And that was end of October, I think, off the top of my head. I just went for the smallest payout I could. $125 in each account. And that was more of just a morale boost. That was my first payout, and I just wanted... My account balance wasn't as high as I wanted it to sort of start taking payouts. But I just wanted a little morale boost to sort of... For it to sort of feel like I'm actually getting somewhere. Do you know what I mean? Feel like it's possible to be making money from doing this, because the whole time I haven't been making money. So even though I've got nearly 9 grand sitting in the green, it's not in my bank. Do you know what I mean? So it's weird. Doesn't quite feel real. Yeah, you're right, Candy. Discipline is what makes or breaks a trader, I think. You got to stick to your rules, and like I said, that 3-4 month period where I was trading sideways, if I wasn't disciplined, I would have blown my accounts. What's that? XFA? Express funded account. So Topstep give you a 50k account to trade with, and then any profits you make you can cash out, and they take a 90-10 split, I think, after your first 10 grand. Are you going to take 1k out once you get another 200 a day? No, probably not 1k. My plan is, when I've got over the 30 days payouts, and I can sort of take them whenever I want, be sort of taking one payout at the end of each month, and whatever I'm up for that month, I'll take half out. So my accounts are constantly building, but I'm still getting decent sized payouts. Because the more I have in my accounts, I'll be taking a larger risk, you know what I mean? Which means larger take profits every day. But I'm not being stupid. I want my account balance to build up. But yeah, I started off on $100 risk, and now I'm up to sort of $125. If it goes up to 150 sometimes, I'm not too concerned. But yeah, it'd be nice to get that up to sort of $200-300 risk a trade. Had to save 25k, so I wasn't restricted with the PDT. Yeah. Yeah, that's hard, that is. and it would be hard sticking 25k of your real money into an account and then rely on your trading to not lose it all. Especially if you're just learning or something like that. I couldn't. That'd be hard. That's why I like prop firms. Like, in the future, it would be nice to have my own account, personal account, but it's a lot less stressful not risking your own money in it. So yeah, that's it. If it's not in the bank, it's not yours for now. Yeah, I don't think of it as I have 9 grand sitting there, because I don't. Like, if I was to take that out, I'd lose my account. So this is the disgusting shop. Yeah. How many minutes is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What, 13, 14 minutes? In a 26-point range. Horrible. Yeah, I find that, Lewis. When you I'm constantly googling how much I have in dollars converted to pounds and watch it like take a quarter off the price. Bit frustrating because yeah, in your head you just think you have more than you do. Yeah, I mean, what's $9,000 in pounds sterling? What, 7.5 grand maybe? Yeah, you called it, Lewis. Yeah, I can't call it today. I think we're going to be a bit choppy, but I still think we're going to take that Asia range at some point. Yeah, just 2 more trading days for the year for me left now. Don't know what I'm going to do with myself over Christmas. Sit there and just stare at a wall for 2 weeks. You trading FOMC? Nah. Too risky for me. Especially on like funded accounts, do you know what I mean? With what, one horrendous wick, I could lose my accounts pretty much, so. I've already had 1 trade earlier, mate. Down $122. Was looking for a short and got pulled back on. Yeah, I won't be looking for another one now. I think we're probably going to have a bit of a messy day anyway, so. Yeah, you're probably right, Lewis. I don't have VWAP on my charts. So. I did when I first started trading. I think I was trying to trade the VWAP, but I'm just gonna make it work. So I always find Wednesdays are either incredibly strong in one direction or horrendously choppy. There's never any middle ground. It's always one or the other. When's everyone coming back to trading then after Christmas? I'm thinking the 6th, which is a Monday. Let's bash out another poll because I'm interested to see. I can't remember what I did last year. I think I left January pretty much alone. I think I was just back testing. Calendar up quick. Yeah, let me know when you're going back to trading in the new year because I'm interested. It might change my decision on when I'm coming back. I'm thinking the 6th, and I might scale down for that first week or something. But are we supposed to take Christmas off? Apparently so, mate. I mean, for me, I can't see there being a lot of volume over Christmas. Or in between Christmas and New Year. I can't see there being a lot of volume. I can't see there being too many big moves. But I just can't see my my strategy working out very well. December's been a bit naff for me so far anyway, so... Oh, 75% come back on the 6th. I makes me feel a bit better. Not coming back too early. Draw trend line from the 11th of December to the 30th for an extended round the 4 hour. The market moves, I'm trading. It's a good way of doing it, mate. I don't think there was any other news really today, was there? I got crude oil at 1:30, but... Yeah, maybe we'll get a pull back to the 21 EMA on the 15-minute. And then continue down possibly, or just sideways for the rest of the session. Wait until the interest rate decision. But I'm interested to see how the meeting goes afterwards. I feel like they might say something to throw the market off, or you can see it being a big day tomorrow. Yeah, you're right. Boring. I hate having an early loss as well. Yeah, it is interesting, yeah. I've got the 5-minute up on the right behind my head. Get some nice wicks off the EMA there, haven't we, on the 5-minute? Just lost my second sim funded for December. Oh, mate. Yeah, December's been a bit weird for me as well. It's not been a great month. Dust yourself back off though, mate. Maybe start fresh in January. But yeah, don't be disheartened, mate. December, I think, can just be a bit shitty. Yeah. Yeah, to maybe have a week or so off over Christmas, enjoy yourself, and yeah, come back fresh. Just for some perspective, this time last year, I think I just lost one of my combines and was in a sort of similar mindset to you, actually thinking about giving up. And yeah, I had a bit of a reset over Christmas. Did lots of back testing and sort of trialing stuff out. Picked up 3 combines because they had them cheap before I was only doing 1 combine. But then, yeah, something changed in my head and passed them within 2.5 months. And yeah, I haven't looked back since, so. And yeah, I was honestly on the verge of giving up last December. Oh yeah, then my combines have passed them in 2 days. I blow them in 5 minutes. On to New York highs, but I had no stop line. Oh, mate. How you doing, Dan? Thanks for stopping by, mate. West Sussex. It's not too far from me. But you haven't missed that. You haven't missed much, Dan. I just had a early loss. Like Jacob said, fuck December. Any of us starting trading, I'd be looking to get in with 500 balance after paper trading. Paper trade for a long time. Or yeah, what Tap says, do a prop firm. I started with 500. And yeah, I lost that pretty quickly after paper trading as well. I don't think just paper trading. I don't think it's very easy to keep yourself accountable. It's very easy to be like, oh, yeah, that was a loss, but I wouldn't have done that if it was a live account. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's very easy to talk yourself out of a loss that you've actually had. Do you know what I mean? And just write it off as nothing. Then when you get into your actual funded account, you just lose it all pretty quick. How long did you paper trade for? Not long enough. I started in May. Probably paper traded for a couple of weeks, maybe a month. This is May last year, 2023. Lost about 200 quid in an actual funded account, a personal account, sorry. I then started doing Topstep combines in August. Yeah, I think you completely miss the emotional side of it from paper trading. At least with a prop firm, you've still got skin in the game. You've still got money on the table. Do you know what I mean? Like, it still hurts when you blow an account and you've got to pay another 50 quid or whatever it is nowadays. But if you're paper trading, a loss means nothing. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I think it's good to paper trade and stuff to backtest your strategy, but you won't get the emotional side of it from paper trading. And the emotional is what, 3/4 of the what you need. You have to lose before you can win. Yeah. And are you going to be happy losing that £500? Damn. Yeah, I'd consider looking at prop firms, and it's what, 50 quid a month, 100 quid a month, or whatever it is. And then you've got what, 5 months of trading with that 500 quid. Yeah, you're right, Jacob. Heavy traded for 9 months, same strat, was able to leave my 9 to 5 after 6 months live. Now I've been out of the cycle for 40 months. I bet that's nice, isn't it? Being out of work for 40 months, mate. That's my goal eventually, is to, yeah, quit my jobs. Be doing this full time. Next year. It's a goal for next year. Or at least leave one of my jobs. You can be the best trader, but if you can't handle emotion, you will get wrecked. Yeah. That's it. It's not even just like the emotional side of it of just taking one loss. It's very easy to go on and then have another like 5, 6, 7 losses in a row, trying to claw back what you've lost in it. Done that a few times. My goal one day is to get 20, 300k Apex accounts. Fuck, that'd be a lot, wouldn't it? The only reason I get sort of put off doing stuff like that is just you put so much money into getting the combines, you know what I mean? Like, you'd end up spending thousands on combines. I'd much rather just sit with 3 and slowly build them up. I think altogether, obviously I started doing combines in August last year. Passed my combines in April this year. So getting on for a year, what, 9 months or something. I think I spent about £1,000 in total. And then now that's it. I don't have any outgoings for trading. And yeah, if you're trying to do like 20 accounts, my pockets aren't deep enough. Personally, I couldn't do it. I suppose if you're taking payouts and then getting more combined to the payouts, it'd be alright. But I'd rather play the long game and build up the accounts, for me anyway. Oh, so you did a course, did you, Lewis? £3,000. 10% was successful. Bloody hell. But yeah, nothing works 100% of the time. The strategy I do now, I've been doing it since end of August, and it's running at 70% win rate. And I'm fucking well happy with that. It's the highest win rate I've ever had. But you've got to have good risk management and stuff, whatever your win rate is. Long at the start of the year and hard works 100% of the time. Yeah, that's the goal. Get out of my work next year. But I've got 2 jobs. I'd like to leave one of them earlier in the year, and then yeah, hopefully by the end of next year, I won't be working at all. Just trading and doing YouTube as well. I hate drawdown, up 2,500 and down 2,500, now blown. Oh, yeah. Is it, yeah, Apex, is it? I don't think they have that rule on Topstep. Yeah, I think trailing drawdown is a bit unfair, really. Yeah, that's a good shout, Lewis. Yeah, I think the emotions is a good chunk of trading in it, if not most of it. My funded futures. You want a job again, you'll be bored. Trust me, mate, I will not be bored. In 2022, I think it was, me and my wife converted a camper van, quit our jobs and went travelling for... We did Europe, well, France and Spain for about 3 months, then come back and did some of the UK. But we didn't work for about a year, sort of lived off savings and stuff, about a year and a half maybe. It's fucking bliss. I didn't realise how unhealthy I was just from stress and stuff, do you know what I mean? I looked ill. And just having time out just, I think, changes you as a person. I actually was able to clear my head and sort of find out what I want to do in my life, and that's how I sort of started trading. And yeah, haven't looked back since. Now I just work for literally bare minimum for what I need to live while I focus on this. Trading US small caps. I don't know anyone in the UK trading them. No, I don't know anyone trading US small caps. I'm picking up my new camper van tomorrow, can't wait. Have fun with that, Candy. Yeah, we had a great time. I say we yeah, quit our jobs and yeah, went over to France on the Eurotunnel. Took our cat and dog with us. And we thought we were going to do quite a lot of places, but we realised we just wanted a long holiday. And we got to North Spain and just stayed there for 3 months basically. And yeah, just lived on the beach and it was absolute bliss. Yeah, Jacob, I thought it was in one day as well, so it's from Friday. Yeah, so Lewis, if you're not working, I think you just have then time to do stuff that you actually want to do with your life, like yeah, learn hobbies like snowboarding and stuff. I'd like to go on more holidays and yeah, just do fun stuff, do you know what I mean? And not have just the stress and shittiness of work. Go from Cambridge campus, a bit of a journey for me tomorrow. But good luck with it. Is it a big one or is it just a small one? I had a Volkswagen Crafter. We just converted ourselves. Oh yeah, T6. That'd be good fun. But yeah, make sure you enjoy it. I think the good thing about camper vans, you can sort of get out in them whenever you have a spare few days, can't you? I ended up scrapping mine. I fucked the engine up. I snapped a bolt in the head of the engine and had a complete mare of it and just gave up in the end and scrapped it. Having a bit of a slow grind up now, aren't we? Bit boring. See people making 20k a day, yeah, that'd be mad, wouldn't it? We're legit stair-step in the EMA, yeah. A shame I'm not in the business so long today, isn't it? Yeah, this would have been a setup. Would have been out, stop loss of break even. But yeah, it's not aggressive enough. If I'm in, I like to see it move quickly. I don't like to see it dicking around too much. Hey Part, love your videos, brother man. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. Are you in a trade now? No, I've just had an early loss, mate. Sort of a few minutes after the open. Yeah, 122 down on each account, so a bit gutted. Just took a short as well, not a long. Entered down here. Was looking for a 1R. And yeah, didn't quite get there, got stopped out. Yeah, Shop City. I'd still be avoiding, I think, if I hadn't taken that early short. It's not pretty, is it? I never did end the poll, did I? Oh, everyone's going back. Oh, most people are going back on the 13th. 20, oh no, the 6th. What am I looking at? 68% on the 6th, 27% on the 13th, 4% in February. I think I pretty much did February last year, I think. Yeah, 68% on the 6th. That makes me feel a bit better about starting again on the 6th. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll probably scale down slightly in my risk. I'll maybe look at $100 trades. And yeah, see how we go from there. Yeah, very boring session. What do we move this session? 102 points in total. Bit boring for an hour, isn't it? It's definitely what tomorrow's like. You've got unemployment claims 8:30. And yeah, existing home sales on the hour at 10 o'clock. But so yeah, nothing major to impact me tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully we get a nice nice strong trend day tomorrow. Say Gray, yeah, already took my trade today, mate. Took a short down here. Got stopped out. Yeah, I can see the rest of the day being pretty boring, to be honest, until the news FOMC. And probably have quite a hectic PM session. Does anyone trade the PM session? I did. I used to trade it for a bit. If I hadn't had done much on the AM session, I'd come in on the PM session. The trouble is, the PM session ends at like what 9 PM for me here, and I'm up at like 3:30 in the morning for work, so a bit late in the day for me. I keep getting tapped. You do, yeah. It's just yeah, late in the day for me. Painfully slow, yeah. I used to find I quite like that though sometimes, but then I feel like you'd get the you'd have its crazy moments. Do you know what I mean? It would it'd be doing nothing for ages, slowly ticking down. Then you'd get a massive strong wick up, and then it would slowly continue down again. And the sort of what last half hour of the day goes a bit mental, doesn't it? Sometimes, which depending on what side you're on is a good or a bad thing. Yeah, mate, I'm funded now. Yeah, I've got copy trade and 3 funded accounts. Each one has got 2,750 in. But yeah, December's been a bit weird for me. I've been sort of trading sideways really for December. It will go your direction for an hour and stop you out in 10 seconds. Yeah, that's how I found it as well. But then after it stops you out, it then continues in your direction, doesn't it? Once you're funded, do you still have to pay $50 a month? No. Not for Topstep anyway. I don't know about anyone else. I don't imagine you do. So yeah, no, I have 0 outgoings now for trading, which is nice. Which is, it's also helped me take it nice and slow as well. Sort of doing, risking only $100 per trade and just sort of slowly building them up. Playing the long game, and I so. I think I'm probably going to call it here, guys. Nothing interesting's happening, is it? I've had my loss for the day. Is it true that you have to pay $150 to get your account funded? Yes, with Topstep it is, mate. And that's on each account as well, so obviously I had to pay that 3 times for mine. Which was a bit of pill to swallow. Yeah, I'll call it there. I'll see you later then, guys. If you're still trading, take it easy. This isn't great price action, so yeah, don't be greedy. Don't take stupid entries, and yeah, good luck. And I'll see you tomorrow, same time. And yeah, hopefully we have a bit of a wider session tomorrow, a bit more of a trend day after the FOMC, and we can get that 200+ day that I desperately need. But yeah, cheers for coming and hanging out, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.